Right, I am Shaun Cruickshank.
And I'm Kyden Widger.
Well, I was surprised, first of all. We weren't actually told the king was going to be here. We just knew it was some special guest. But when we found out it was the king, we were over the moon. First time meeting royalty for me. And he spoke to us quite normally. It was good. And he cared about what we were doing with the vehicle and with STEM.
Really interested as us as people and our future career aspirations. So for me, it was really interesting getting to hear what exactly he wanted to know about my future, and he was really keen to hear more about what I do in STEM and how I'm helping younger people through the means of our ROV go into the future career of the subsea industry.
Right, so we started off with prototyping. We're quite lucky at our school, we have a laser cutter. So I do the CAD designs. So we've gone through about 6 iterations. So the last iteration was chosen about 6 weeks ago, and then building began. We started off with just the physical frame design, motor mounting, and then it moved more towards Kyden's aspects of the control box, subsea, and then controls.
So there's a couple of reasons why we've built it. One is to inspire the next generation of engineers, as we find, we were kind of thrown into this project in the deep end. Unfortunately, because of the COVID pandemic, we weren't able to speak to previous competitors of the other reason we built it, the Mate ROV competition. Marine Advanced Technology Education is a society that was set up in America about 20 years ago now, and there's a competition held every year regionally at RGU in Aberdeen, which we've competed in for the last 2 years now. We'll be competing again this year. And then when you place first regionally, we get the opportunity to go to the international finals. Now we find that those two link together really well, as we have smaller projects which can be taken out to primary schools, and all of the team members here not only work on the large vehicle to take to the mate competition, but that also demonstrates to the young people exactly where you can go with this. And we find it's really important for them to understand the purpose of why we're doing this, because really it's a great thing that we have the opportunity to do, and we want to spread it even wider, and that's really what Mate's all about. So to showcase the primary children and younger people in the academy, to build something like this, it's an inspirational thing. So we think it's important, and we'd like our legacy to be continued. Yes, definitely. I think we can all safely say when we started, we didn't know what an ROV was. And so to show more and more people about what we're doing here, I think it's absolutely brilliant, and I love working on this whenever I get a chance.
Well, definitely like teamwork, communication skills, but then on the more like physical technical side, the CAD skills I've learned, and it's fun. It's quite a passion to me now, especially stuff like that's what I look for in industry. It'll be quite valuable if I go to university.